We'll guide you through how to create guitar tabs in Notion. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Notion on your desktop and create a new page or select an existing one where you want to add your guitar tabs. You'll start by setting up a template for your tabs. Click on the Metis button to add a block. From the drop-down menu, choose Table to insert a table block. Now you want to set this table to have 6 rows, each corresponding to a string on your guitar, and several columns to represent each fret position. Label the rows with standard tuning names E, A, D, G, B, and E from top to bottom. Next, you can adjust the column width to ensure the numbers representing frets fit comfortably. In each cell of the table, you can enter numbers that correspond to the frets you need to play for your song. If you're working on a longer piece, you can duplicate this table by clicking on the 6 dots in the top right corner of the block and selecting Duplicate. This will allow you to extend your tabs seamlessly. Another useful tip is to use the toggle list function to add explanations or lyrics beneath each measure. Just type it to bring up the command menu and select toggle list. This way, you can add additional notes without cluttering your tab. Once you're happy with your tab layout, you can customize the page with a title and any additional notes or chords using the text block options available. You can also embed audio files or YouTube videos for reference by typing and selecting embed. This can be helpful if you're teaching someone else or need to remember how a section sounds. Remember to frequently use the Ctrl+S shortcut to save your progress. Notion's versatility in creating structured layouts makes it an excellent tool for musicians. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.